Where did the dog's mouth go? That's what everyone wants to know when they draw a dog in profile. Where did the mouth go? I'll show you what I mean. So here's a basic look for a dog, which happens to also be the basic look for my dog. Here's the neck. And it doesn't have to be exact. Flatten the top here. Very short forehead right there. That's the forehead. And that's the top of the head. So let's put it in the nose right here. The nose just goes like this. Sticks out just a little bit from the mouth. And let's put in a dog's eye. It goes along the snout, right there. That's where the dog's eye goes, and a little bit of eyebrow, like that. And let's have a nice dark fluid line. It flows from the forehead down to the mouth area. And the ears are on a diagonal. Start the ear on a diagonal like this. And bring it down. This is a pendulum ear. That's the name of this type of ear. Now, we're getting to it, so let's make sure the neck goes a little bit out like this. It's got a muscle. It's a real muscle, that neck. So it's going to come out this way and this way. Now, sometimes people will take a dog like this, a character, and they'll just put a mouth in. But that doesn't work because the mouth is here somewhere. Where is the mouth? So what you want to do is this. You bring the mouth here. The dog's mouth comes down here. That's fine. Here, and this is where it starts its upward turn. The relaxed mouth comes here, up. You see that? Like this. Up, down a little bit. And a crease goes right under here. See that? A crease goes just like this, and another little crease mark. Fits right under. This comes down to the neck. A little bit of fluff right here. Gotta have the fluff. Got to have fluff. So that is one type of mouth. Here's another. The smile is a smile, and then it becomes a not smile, and it still looks like a smile. Watch. A dog's mouth doesn't just come up like this. Let's give him a smile. It goes behind the eye, just behind the eye. And it pulls the face back, so we're going to lose some mass in the front, okay? We're going to lose some of that mass. This will come down. The chin will come way down here. They follow each other. Here's a little tooth. Bring this down like a straight line, really. Another line here. Tongue out this way. So this one comes this way, way back, and this one's coming up this way. We could also give him a smile here. I mean, an eye smile, okay? Like he's having a great time. That's a good smile. So let's put that one in black and white, okay? The thickest part of the closed eye is right in the middle. big nose of his. See, on a real dog, let's first put that, leave that shine at top. On a real dog, the nose sticks out past the mouth, just a little. Sweep this back. And into a very narrow chin, very squarish chin. Flop just a little bit of the tongue over. It disappears right at the tooth. Okay, so let's see if I can just find something to color that last thing in with. Hold on. That ear is just dying to have color. Okay, what else? This. What else can we put on it? Well, I could keep going, but I think that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll visit me next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.